Hello dear students, welcome to geography class, chapter number 1, the earth in the solar system, for class 6, part 6. In previous part, so you have learnt about the solar system. You have learned that in solar system some celestial bodies are there. Some celestial bodies revolving around the sun. The sun, the moon, 8 planets, asteroids, meteorites and comets, these all are revolving around the sun. Here in the solar system, the sun is the head of the family. In sun is the head of the family. Sun is also one star. Sun is also star. So you have learnt in previous class about sun's diameter, mass. You have learnt in all about this. Also you have learnt what is asteroids, meteorites and comets. And today's class is there in part 6, today's topic planets. Planets are the celestial bodies. Planets are the celestial bodies. They do not have their own heat and light. They do not have their own heat and light. They revolve around the sun. The 8 planets means they have the 8 planets revolving around this, means revolve means orbiting around the sun. See a student, in IAU means what? International Astronomical Union. International Astronomical Union. This is the IAU, International Astronomical Union. So this astronomical means International Astronomical Union, it is set up the following of the conditions of the planet. So that condition you can see a student. See here about planet. It must be means planets are the celestial bodies planets are the celestial bodies and it must have enough weight. It must have the enough weight for its self-gravity. For its self-gravity. And also some conditions have here. It must have a nearly round shape. It must have nearly round in shape. Round shape. All planets have the round in shape. And next, it must have cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. It must have the cleared the neighborhood hood around the orbit. So these are the International Astronomical Union, some data sets following to the planet. One is planets are the celestial bodies. It must have enough weight for its self-gravity, and it must have nearly round in shape, and also it must have the cleared the neighborhood around orbit. Okay, see a student. So the planets, they are the 8 planets in our solar system. How many planets are there? 8 planets. See a student, that 8 planets they here. First planet is Mercury. First planet is what? Mercury. Second planet, Venus. Third one, Earth. Fourth one, Mars. And fifth one, Jupiter. Sixth one, Saturn. Seventh one, Uranus. And eighth one, Neptune. Okay, students, see here. There are 8 planets in our solar system. First planet, Mercury. Second planet, Venus. Third planet, Earth. Fourth planet, Mars. Fifth planet, Jupiter. Sixth planet, Saturn. Seventh planet, Uranus. And eighth planet, Neptune. They are the 8 planets in our solar system. So once again repeating here is the very important is the here Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. They are the 8 planets. Okay, so these 8 planets orbiting around the sun. These are the revolving around the sun. Okay, so these all planets, they are all are in spherical in shape. All planets are spherical in shape, and they are all planets are different in size. Their sizes are different. Okay, but all are spherical in shape, and all planets are different in size. And see a student, may see a smallest planet on the solar system. See a student, Mercury. Mercury planet is the smallest planet in our solar system. And fifth planet, Jupiter, is the largest planet. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. All planets are spherical in shape, so all are different in size. And also in planets, first planet is Mercury. Mercury planet is smallest planet in our solar system. And next fifth planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. And in these planets, generally divided into different categories. These all planets, these all 8 planets divided into different categories. That categories are there here. Larger density means this is a low density, larger, low density means low density, these are the gas giants, smaller and rocky terrestrials. Students, see here once again, all planets, these all 8 planets divided into different categories, means that categories are there here: larger, low density, gas giants, smaller and rocky terrestrials. Okay, so these all one by one I am explaining about this. See a student, the 4 planets are there in terrestrial planet, means in this part. So some planets dividing into 2 categories, terrestrials and gas giants. Terrestrial means what, students? See here, it is a in Kannada meaning Bhumiya. So Kannada meaning what? Bhumiya. Giant means what? These are the larger, doddadu. These are the larger. See here. So which are that 4 terrestrial planets? See here, student. 4 terrestrial planets and 4 gas giants and 4 gas giant planets. See a student. So what are those at 4? See here. The 4 terrestrial planets and the 4 gas giant planets. The 4 terrestrial planets are there here: Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. And 4 gas giant planets. That 4 gas giant planets are there here: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, student. Once again you see here. So I am writing neatly. Okay. See here. So some gas giant planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, students, see here. The 4 terrestrial planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. And 4 gas giant planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, student. So here completing today's topic, part 6. So the planets. Okay. But what you have learnt in today's topic, planets. Planets are the celestial bodies. Planets are the celestial bodies. They do not have their own heat and light. They are shining in the darkness, but they are taking the help of, means it reflects to the sun's rays. The sun's rays reflects to the planets. Then planets are shining in the darkness. And International Astronomer Union. So this International Astronomer Union, so it sets the planets. So following that some conditions. Planets are the celestial body. They must have the celestial body. And also it must have enough weight of self-gravity. And also it must have nearly round in shape. All planets are round in shape. And also it must have its clearing to the neighborhood around the orbit. And there are 8 planets are there in our solar system. So you know that first planet is Mercury, second planet is Venus, third planet is Earth, fourth planet Mars, fifth planet Jupiter, sixth planet Saturn, seventh planet Uranus, and eighth planet Neptune. These all 8 planets revolve around the sun. These all orbiting around the sun. These all planets have the spherical in shape but different in size. These all planets spherical in shape and different in size. And planets are divided into some different categories. That categories are there: larger, low density, gas giants, smaller, and rocky planets. And these 8 planets, the smallest planet in the solar system is Mercury. Mercury, first planet, it is the very smallest planet in the solar system. And which is the largest planet? Largest planet in our solar system is the 5th planet, that is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. And these planets are divided into 2 categories. One is terrestrial planet, another one is giant planet. Terrestrial means what? Bhumiya means Nela. So Bhumi is the Grahagalu. Okay. And afterwards giant planet means Dodda Dodda Grahagalu. Okay. Giant means what? It's the largest. Some 4 terrestrial planets are there here: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. And 4 gas jet planets are there: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, student, here it will completed today's topic, planets. So part 6 also completed here. You make the points correctly. After completing your work, you send it my WhatsApp number, your homework. And next part I am continuing in next period. Thank you.